Thank you so much for checking in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll check out this fantastic looking, fantastic value 2025. So the new refresh, new facelift Outlander gas version. And we're going to talk about exact things that you get with this upgrade. So ES is the base trim level. Then when you move up, you get SC, and there's a lot of stuff you get with the SC. So in this video, not only we're going to talk about new things inside outside, but we're also going to talk about value points ES compared to SC, and there's a lot. So when it comes to price difference, it's only $2,700 MSRP price difference between ES and SC, but I think you get a lot from the SC upgrade, and it's definitely worth the money. So let's have a look at the front. So the front is all updated. We can see it, how the front grille stands out, and this lower bumper part right here is different color now. It's darker gray, and this lower bumper part on the ES trim level is all black plastic. On this one here, it's color painted, so that will be one difference that you'll notice. Grill is all different, same grill on all of them, but it's all different, so you can see how nice and shiny it is. We added Outlander hood emblem as well. Looks very cool. I really like how this looks, and together with this darker lower skid plate styling, I think it's really cool. You have new wheels on the SC. We can see we have one right there with the old wheels. Let's try to zoom it in right here, so we can see different lower bumper part, and there you go, like different kind of wheels. I really like these wheels a lot better. I think they're really nice looking wheels. Let's check out them a little bit up closer. So I might try to do a blackout package on some of them just to see how they look, but I think this is like the alloy wheels. It's they look really nice. I'm very happy with the way they're designed. So also part of the SE trim level, you had the LED fog lights. You have them right here, and then you have heated and power folding side view mirrors with integrated turn signals. So these turn signals are integrated in there, and then they're power folding as well. Once you lock the vehicle, they fold down, and they are heated as well. Compared to the base ES, you don't get the heated side mirrors. So on this one, you can press the button, so you have the keyless entry. So you press the button, that unlocks the driver's door, and you get in the vehicle. And you also have the roof rails. So once we sort of like look from the side profile, this is what you get with the SC trim level. And of course, the power tailgate and the glass sunroof. So we'll check that from inside as well. Let's check out the power tailgate with the kick motion. The kick motion, I like it a lot. So there's two more things that we can notice from back of the vehicle that's new for 2025. A new tailgate design. So you do have this smoked outline on the tailgate, and also same thing like the front and the rear, you have this lower gray skid plate styling, is just the lower darker color. So let's check out how it closes. Again, the tailgate is power starting SC trim level. On base, you won't have it. So see the full tailgate design, looks really cool. I like this white diamond color. I think it looks really sharp. And again, these wheels, I think they look very good. I like them a lot on these SC wheels. Now on the 2025s, you'll have three different wheels. You have these, then you'll have on LE, and then you'll have the GT wheels. So the GT we have hiding right there. Not going to show it right now. You can browse that on my channel to see what kind of wheels the GT has. So let's get inside of the vehicle. Let's check out what's going on in here. Again, this press to exit, press the lock button, that is standard on SC and up, so we can see how that works together with the mirror fold. Once you open the door, there's few things that you can see on SC as well. So we do have sunroof, which we're gonna open the shade in a bit, and we also have 3-zone climate control, and we have smartphone wireless charging, and we have heated steering wheel as well. Okay, let's jump in. So new to 2025, we have Yamaha sound system on all the Outlanders, and we also have this large 12.3 inch screen. I love the starting graphic. So this one is standard on all of them. Standard on all of them are Android Auto wireless and Apple CarPlay wireless. So it's great news for all the cell phone users. And this one, same thing like on the previous years. You have the analog dials and then part of the screen is digital. So that's how it still is looking. So then we have heated seats, which is a standard function, but we have heated steering wheel, which you get with this SE trim level. So new to 2025, this part is redesigned. We have this shifter knob different, gear shifter itself, and here we have the sunroof opening up. Beautiful blue sky today. We definitely want to see as much as possible from that sky. So there we go. Large area of the roof is opening up, and then we have our enhanced view. So backup camera is just a regular backup camera. You do not have the 360 camera. 360 camera is missing there, so it's kind of a little bit awkward looking angle from that regard, I guess, where you have the camera being here covering almost the entire section, but not quite really, and then you have this part missing. But I wish it would be like the entire thing then covered, but it is what it is. We're not going to be too picky. We still get our 360 camera. We still get it covered by the safety. So there we go. We have a very nice redesigned central console right here, Yamaha sound system, very nice interior upgrades. Those select that they have. There's more on other trim levels as well, but on this one here on SC, new exterior, new interior features. And when it comes to SC, again, there's a lot of options that you can get. So from here you have the you have the heated steering wheel. You can access the vehicle with just your key in your pocket. You have the wireless charging. You have the exterior wise quite a few things that we talked about. So SC trim level all overall is an excellent value, and especially this new body style with new wheels, new facelift. It looks very cool. So thank you so much for checking out this Outlander gas SE trim level. I hope you liked it as much as I do, and see you next time around.